Well, the customer had come to us and they said they wanted something that looked real clean, had somewhat of a classic style and look to it, some distinctive features. And so when she mentioned that to us, we automatically thought that the product with the built-in nickel gap was the ideal product to be used. As you can see, it's got very clean lines, easy to install, and the fact that it comes pre-gapped with the nickel gap, minimal work on site as far as any kind of prep. So we thought this would be a good fit for what the customer was looking for in this particular room. In this case, it's a vertical installation. The vertical requires a slightly bit more prep work. What I mean by that is that if you're going to go in a vertical setting, which is what we have here, then you've got to fur off the wall because all of the studs, of course, are in a vertical positioning themselves. So we needed something that would provide sufficient backing, and we utilized the recommended 24-inch on centering. We did go with the slightly wider furring strip, 3.5 inches, so we could get a more secure establishment of each one of the planking. One of my most favorite things about this product is the fact that it comes pre-gapped with the nickel gapping. With the nickel gap already built in from the factory, it certainly helps expedite the installation process and gives it a nice, clean, professional installation. We recommended the UFP Edge to the customer because of a particular look that she was after. She was looking for something that was unique, very timeless, and that really gave a lot of character to the room that we were installing it.